now I'm not completely sure what he got sentenced for, but I'm quite sure it's gross negligence in traffic, maybe driving under the influence as well. I need to get back to you in the comments about that. But what I like here is the camera angle of the motorcycle police. It's some kind of nice Ghost Rider vibe-ish angle, and its resolution is actually in 4K from a police. And this was filmed in Malmö, Sweden's third largest city, way down south, which have had serious problems with the criminals. But this time they got caught. Like, subscribe, and share for more of active driving encounters by GTBOARD.com.